To my Dada Rudy, who will be watching this later, pinalangga ka ni Kitty, ayaw na kalimti. Know that I remain unafraid, unbent, and unswayed, just like you. Your battle is my battle. Mabuhay ka at mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Muli kong iaabot ang personal na mensahe ni Tatay Digong para sa bawat Pilipino. Sabi niya, exercise your right to vote and do so wisely. My warmest greetings of love to every Filipino. Mga kababayan, mga kabataan, apat na